This video from Sam4S Help, we're just taking a quick look at a little feature on the ER-180 register. It's got a feature where you can check how much money you've taken so far in cash, so how much money should be in the drawer without printing a report or without opening the till drawer. All you need to do is get yourself into the X mode, so the non-resetting report mode. So on this machine that'll say read on the display, so you can press the mode button until it says read. It's normally the first mode after the register mode, and then all you do is press the cash button here and it comes up with the cash total taken for today. So that's telling me that I've got £90.82 in my cash drawer. To get back to the register mode, you can either press the mode until you get all the way around to mode, all the way around to reg, or you can simply type in free, then hit mode, and then you've got the reg mode on the display. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER-180. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.